Okay, Tracy, I've got an easy educator here programmed to a 2-dog model, okay, which is why you can see the 1D and the 2D flashing in the window there that you were talking about. That just basically means that it's programmed for 1 dog and 2 dog. The top 2 buttons refer to dog 1 and the bottom 2 buttons refer to dog 2, okay? As you can see on this one, I've got vibration for dog 1 and momentary for dog 1. I've got vibration for dog 2. See, it's got 2D there, and I've got momentary for dog 2 as well. Now, if I want to change that momentary to continuous, here's what I do. So here's my dial, my stimulation dial, okay? I turn that to 0, and I press the P button on the side, the program button, and I keep that held in, okay? And this is the button that controls the stimulation for dog 1. So I press that and keep it in, and I tap the stimulation for dog 1 at the same time. And can you see it switching between the different modes that it could be? So I bring it to C, then I let it go. Then I turn my dial up a little bit, maybe to about here, and I check it, and I can now see that dog 1 is C. Okay, dog 2 is still on momentary. So if I want to change that momentary to something else, I turn this dial down to 0, I press and hold the P button, and then I basically tap this button to whatever I want. So if I also want that to be continuous, I leave it go there. So now I've got dog 1 on continuous, sorry, that's the instantaneous mode. So if I turned up a little bit, turn the dial up just a tiny bit to come out of the instantaneous mode, I've got dog 1 on continuous, and I've got dog 2 on continuous. Okay, if I want to boost the continuous, say I'm on dog 2 and I need the boost, then I hold in the continuous stimulation and I tap the one above it. That will give me a boost of 5 points higher. If I'm working dog 1, here's my stimulation, I'm on 4. If I want to boost that, I tap the one below it at the same time and it'll give me a boost to 9. Okay, so just again, if let's say I wanted, so at the moment we've got dog 1 continuous and dog 2 continuous, but I now want to change these 2 buttons to vibration. So what I do is I go to 0, I press and hold the P, and I'm going to do the top one first, and I'm going to move it through to now vibration, and I'm going to do the same on the bottom one. So I'm going to hold this in on the side, hold it in there, tap the bottom button to get to the V, let go. And now if I turn up, what we'll see what I've got here is I've got a vibration for 1 dog and a vibration for 2 dog. Vibration there and vibration there as well. Okay, but I hope you see, I hope that makes sense to you. So what you do is you turn your dial to 0, you push this button here, and then you tap whichever button it is that you want to change the feature of. So I'm going to put that one back to momentary, and I'm going to do the same on this one. Press and hold there, tap that one back to momentary, let go, turn my dial up a little bit. I've now got momentary for dog 1 and momentary for dog 2. Okay, hope that makes sense.